What's going on, guys? This is Matt from Matt Tech Studios, and this is the unboxing and first impressions of the DBrand grip. So let's get started. So the first thing is, this is how the box comes. Once you get it in the mail, they drop it off like this. We got this pull tab that I just got to pull, and I had difficulty fighting with it. Took me a second to try to actually do it. I had to readjust myself. But after getting the pull tab, you just pull that down, lift the flap up, and then you present it with the DBrand logo. It is not a product, it's a culture. In the back, you got the skin, and you got the how to apply it, and the instructions on how to put that aside, and you get the DBrand box. And it's in bubble wrap. And just peel the flap off in the back, and then just pull it right out. Now, just personal opinion, it just kind of resembles a PlayStation 4 in my opinion. Maybe that's just me. You look around it, you got the little indent cut, and then you got a yellow instead of a blue. You just pull that open, and when you first look at it, first thing you see is the DBrand card right there, and then you also have the grip around it. So on the grip, you see right here, it says the DBrand grip is just the beginning. On the back, you see the dbrand.com/how. Don't fuck this up, and follow the link. Make sure you put on the skin right, and as well to make sure you put on the grip right. It's kind of hard to take off the grip, even though it's surrounded by foam, just because of how tight it is, and then how fine they cut the foam around. You got the DT30 right there on each corner. And you got the cutouts for the speaker and for the charger port, and you see me trying to put pressure on it, but it's not bulging at all. So it's very high standard, high quality. You got grips on the side. You got the toggle switch that's actual tactile. You got another bumper. You got the DBrand logo right there. Another bumper. And you have the power button and a grip side on the side as well. Just looking inside, it has some little imprints on the inside. I'm not quite sure if that's for like helping with shocks, but you see this little kind of weird pattern, and I don't know how that helps with the grip, but just showing it just to indicate if any one of y'all know what it's there for. It's all around the grip on the inside. But after using it for a few days, I would recommend it. It's great quality, it's high standard, great grip. But it's not currently able to be purchased. If you like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and then I'll be uploading a future video with my review of this product. Thanks for watching.